Hello, if you want to get the dunning, how to do the config, you have to enter the transaction code. This one. Then you have to click on new entries, enter your company code, then enter one dunning area. You have to create one dunning area first. It will be 2-digit code. You have to create. For example, if you create can be numeric, alphanumeric, anything, any combination you can use. Then enter the description for that. For example, then you just ignore that either notification and press it again and show it. Then you have to create a dunning procedure, means interval in days, text, levels, okay, grace line item period, all those things. To execute that, you have to use the transaction code and you have to create new procedure. You have to enter the code here, 4-digit code you have to enter. For example, it is my code. Then enter the name. I will use interval in days 10, number of dunning levels 4, line item grace period I will use 3, and public holiday I will use 01. Standard, yeah. Then okay, then click on labels. Just click on standard dunning, then click on save. Press enter. If you want to calculate the interest, I want to calculate on third and fourth levels, then always done, always print. Then charges I have to enter. I will use the currency INR. Continue. Then my 4 levels. Then enter 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then dunning charges amount I want to use 100. It will suggested by client. According to the client, you have to enter. Level set. Then minimum amount I want to use for 4 levels. Minimum amount for a dunning I want to use 1000 rupees. So minimum customer below amount 100, okay, will system will not generate the dunning notice for those customers. Okay, then minimum amount for interest I will use 10. Okay, that's all. Press enter. Then dunning text, you have to use company code here. Continue. Table, the table you have to maintain here from English or from this one. original language. Or manually, if you remember, you can enter the manually as well. Once you do this, come back, click on save and continue. Now this procedure AADD you have to assign to your customer. To assign it to your customer, you have to use the transaction code FD02. Press enter. Sorry. Choose any customer here. Go to company code correspondence AADD. This procedure. Press enter. Click on. Now I want to send notice to this customer. To run the Dunning run, you have to use the transaction code F150 Dunning run. Press enter. Run on. Enter the current date. One identification number. Then no parameters entered, so enter the parameters. Dunning date. Enter current date. Company code in both the boxes. Enter the customer number here. Then document posted up to enter here also current date. Then go to additional log. Enter customer number again. And then go to status. Click on yes. Parameters now entered and maintain. Now click on schedule tab. Start immediately. Schedule. It is scheduled successfully. Individual notice. Enter company code. LP01 is a standard output device. Paste and log. You will find a notification like this. Okay. Now if you want to check the Dunning later, then you have to go to Dunning history. Enter here account type. I have sent it to the customer, so I will use D. Company code TI01. Click on execute. I have sent Dunning here. Okay, this is the Dunning. Display Dunning notice. Check this. Display the Dunning notice. Print preview. You will able to see the Dunning notice here. This is a notice. It has been sent to the customer for their outstanding balance. This is having outstanding balance of 11,200 rupees. This notice has been sent to them. This is how we can send a notice. Thank you.